Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So if you've been with us, then you know we've been getting into the holiday season by drawing some of the great characters and scenes from some of the well-known Christmas movies and TV specials. We've drawn the version of Ebenezer Scrooge from the 2009 Disney version of A Christmas Carol, starring Jim Carrey as Scrooge. We've drawn the Grinch carving the roast beast along with Cindy Lou Who and Max in the final scene from How the Grinch Stole Christmas. And last week we drew Frosty the Snowman from Rankin and Bass's 1969 classic. This week we're going to draw a little scene from my favorite holiday special of all time, A Charlie Brown Christmas. First airing on December 9th, 1965, A Charlie Brown Christmas has been a staple of the holiday season now for 59 years. It's now airing on Apple TV for those interested. This year we'll be drawing Charlie Brown holding the now legendary Charlie Brown Christmas tree as he watches Snoopy decorate his doghouse. I think you're going to have fun with this one. So what do you say we get started? We're going to draw our Charlie Brown and Snoopy Christmas scene step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw it again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the characters' heads to figure out how big the entire character is. Let's start with Charlie Brown, who is around 2.5 heads tall in our drawing. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is about 2.5 of those tall, not counting his winter hat. Snoopy is about 2 heads tall, so however big you draw his head, his whole body is 2 of those, though he is standing on his tiptoes, and his toes extend a little bit beyond the 2 head height. A few other clues to use. First, the top of the roof of Snoopy's doghouse is the same height as Charlie Brown's head, again, not counting his hat. And the bottom of the roof ends somewhere near the middle of Charlie Brown's body. And the highest point of Snoopy's head, which in this pose is his nose, is right in line with the middle of Charlie Brown's head, which, by the way, is just below his nose. Again, just a few clues to use when you're laying out our scene here. Okay, what do you say we get started with a roadmap for our scene from A Charlie Brown Christmas? So there's our roadmap for our Christmas scene with Charlie Brown and Snoopy. Now before we go on to step 2, I want to give you the layout of our characters' body poses using simple shapes for those of you who want to screen grab. Just something to help you when you lay out your drawing. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put our characters' eyes, noses, mouths. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for our scene for the 1965 classic, A Charlie Brown Christmas. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Charlie Brown and Snoopy. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw on the final details of our scene from A Charlie Brown Christmas. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. This is where you want to pause and look at your drawing while it's still lightly sketched out and fix or change things before then committing the drawing to those final lines. But understand, even as you begin those final lines, you should still be thinking about how you might improve your drawing all the way until the very end. Okay, so let's draw the details for our Charlie Brown Christmas scene. And that's how you do it. There you have it, our iconic scene of Charlie Brown, his Christmas tree, and Snoopy decorating his doghouse from the 1965 classic, A Charlie Brown Christmas. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never tried any drawing of Snoopy or Charlie Brown before, then you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring our iconic scene during this video because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing our scene from A Charlie Brown Christmas. And with that, you can draw it again and again. And by all means, color it when you're done. I promise each time you draw it, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Charlie Brown and Snoopy. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.